Hey my beautiful gluten-free family, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying something viral. Well, let's just say TikTok viral. I've been seeing all of these amazing creators make a no-bake cheesecake and apparently it's delicious, so of course we have to try it. But we're making it 100% gluten-free. Now this recipe has been all over the internet, but I'm gonna kind of take some creative liberties when I'm making my version. Now in order to make this delicious recipe, we have to go to the store to get some ingredients. So let's go. Amazing. All of the yummies have been secured, so let's head back and start making this amazing recipe. There are, of course, a whole lot of things you can add to this recipe depending on how you like your cheesecake or what kind of fillings you want to add. I've seen people put banana in, I've seen people put caramel in, chocolate, everything you want. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to try keep it as simple as possible. So according to the creators and ChatGPT, all you need are some cookies and yogurt. Now the yogurt that I've chosen is actually called Quark. It's a Dutch kind of yogurt and it is vanilla flavored from Albert Heijn. And the cookies are the speculaas cookies, but the gluten-free version from Albert Heijn. I decided to rather go for the soy quark because I also kind of don't drink a lot of milk or lactose. So the soy option was cool. And then I went for the quark because apparently you need a kind of like thick yogurt, like a Greek style yogurt. So I thought this would come in handy. I also have a container because I'm not going to put all the cookies in here and it's quite long, and I saw a lot of the videos had kind of like a very big circumference, so hopefully this will do the trick. So let's get non-baking. Beautiful creation. Now apparently you have to put this in the fridge for a couple of hours. I'm thinking between 3 to 4 will probably do, but obviously if you leave it overnight it will have a better result, a more smooshier cookie. In general, the principle is that the moisture from the yogurt has to go into the cookie and kind of soften it up, and then you get that kind of buttery base that you would usually have in a cheesecake.
A few moments later.
It is the next day because I decided that I would leave these overnight. I just really wanted to make sure this was not going to be a fail because I need something sweet in my life. So this has to taste delicious, okay? Let's open it. I mean, it's looking very promising. Let's get a spoon. And now is the moment of truth. Is it going to have that kind of viral thing I've been seeing where you put your spoon in and the cookies kind of dissolve in the yogurt? Ooh! Yeah, look at that! I'm very happy that I kept it overnight because I was just worried that if I hadn't, the moisture wouldn't have had enough time to absorb and soften the cookies. Now it is time for a taste test. Of course, I'm making a mess already. Don't want that much for now. Going in for another taste. I can definitely see what the hype is about. I'm going in for a third bite. This is where I am in my life. I'm gonna eat this whole thing, I just know it. Now, in my personal opinion, this dessert is worth the hype. It's creamy, it's decadent. I don't think it's a healthier option, but it's definitely an easier option than having to make a no-bake cheesecake. Quick, sufficient, and absolutely delicious. Now, if you want to see me make more of these viral recipes in a gluten-free, celiac-safe way, please give a like, a comment, and subscribe. Okay, gluten-free family, that's it for today. Until next week.